Hey guys. No, sketch. I'm gonna just cut that. Hello.
Area codes, these black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we gotta see me a team. Look at your crown.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the gang. If you are back, hey, I know it's been a really long time since you guys have seen me. I recently had surgery and I've been recovering, and I still am. So, but I really wanted this hair out of my head, and I just was like, let me make this video. So let's just get into the video. So as you guys know, I purchased the Yummy hair extensions, the Lao hair, and I got a closure with it. And y'all know I was so excited about this hair. Like, oh my God, I can't wait to get this in my hair. And child, sis, like these companies got me feeling like I just need to start my own hair company, because the way y'all finessing us, like hyped it up, and y'all be having all these celebrities like, oh my gosh, this is the best hair ever, is a lie poo. Okay, so let me just get into the pros and the cons, I would say. First of all, you can't see the top of my head because it's time for this to come out, okay? You see, it's time for me to come out. And I wasn't gluing it back down or fixing it, because then I'm just gonna leave it in. No, I want it out. So, first things first, the hair. Let's just separate the hair from the closure. So the hair, this is a hair in its natural state. I've had this hair in since January 18th. Today is like April 2nd or 3rd. Today's April 3rd. So what is that? January, February, March, and some change. So I had it in like 2 months and some change. I normally leave my weave in like 3 months max, 2 months minimum, and then I'll get it tightened and like redone. So the hair itself, as far as the bundles, like you can see they're still bouncy. Like I washed it, so this is just like what it looks like. And you can see it kept its curl pattern. I flat ironed it a couple times, not too many, because as I said, I've been really disappointed with this hair, and it just feels like a waste of time when I flat iron it. And the shedding. So before I got on the video, I combed this hair out, and I don't know if you guys can see. This is the amount of shedding that I got from combing it before I made this video. That is an awful lot of hair, if you ask me, for this to be some wash, and it looked all nappy. It looked all tangled. Like, sis. So the shedding, that's another step. Like, the shedding is out of this world, and honestly, I feel like the hair actually might be good, but this up here is so like, look at that. Look how it just like don't even fall back. It just look like you know how when you have leave out, like, you know, leave out need to be redone or something, to look like you can always tell the separation. Like, this closure does not match this hair. The texture of this is my braid right there, don't mind it. The texture of this does not seem like raw hair, does not seem, it is so effing nappy. Like, I just combed it, so that's the only reason. Oh wait, I got stuck. But I cannot comb this hair. Look at the way it just, I cannot comb this hair when I wake up in the morning, no, whether if I wear a scarf or if I don't. I look like I have a helmet, an extra piece of crown helmet on my head. I don't even know how to explain it. But I will insert pictures here of me in the morning, or even at night, or just say like I go throughout the day, I put a hat on, or, sorry, I got a notification. If I put a hat on, or if a scarf, like my hair, the top of this closure will mold, and then it'll be all hard and crunchy. Like, no matter how much I conditioned or washed it, it's just nappy. When I got my first touch of my hairstylist was like, this frontal kind of nappy. Like, what kind of quality? I said, exactly. They talking about this some raw this some high quality closure, don't buy the closure. I don't know, like I'm gonna try to give the hair another shot, because like honestly the hair looks nice, and I haven't got to, like, it's a little tangle back here, but it's not like I really get any tangling from the bundles itself. Like when I separate the hair, just say I comb the front closure, I keep saying frontal, if I comb the closure by itself, it's terrible. Like, I've been wanting this hair out since less than 1 month. Like, when I got it installed, like in 2 weeks, like the closure was trash. Like, but I spent so much money, and then like, you know, they have all these policies like, well, once it's used, blah blah blah, and I really didn't go on the web. Most hair sites are like that. I didn't go on that website to check, but I still have it in, as you guys can see. When you straighten it, like, it'll straight. Like when I go to the shop, she does it. I come out the shop looking like this picture that I will insert right here, feeling good, and then you wake up, or like 2 days later, this closure is like, sis, we fooled you. Like, and I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I'm finna start my own hair company because I'm sick of you hoes. I'm sick of it. Like, how does this work? Like, all these pictures I'm gonna be inserting, you guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? Yummy hair is really like supposed to be that bitch. Okay, that bitch. And that's all I'm gonna say. But she's really not. Like, when I tell you guys, this closure is so trash. Like, it's the biggest con, because I feel like I really didn't get to experience the actual hair itself. Because like I said, like the hair to me, it looked like it might actually really be nice. So I'm gonna, as you guys know, I don't know if I told you guys. Did I tell you guys? Because now I'm really upset about it, and I'm really sad. I like my enthusiasm for this hair. I have so much enthusiasm, and I guess I just went overboard. Like, I bought this hair because when I got it, I was just like, it's so soft, the bundles. So I bought clip-ins, so like when I wear my natural hair, if I want to add some length or some volume, like I could throw the clip-ins in. So I got some of this, and I won't say that I'm all the way disappointed, because the actual bundles themselves feel nice. They have not really tangled much. I can't say if they have or have not shed it, because like I said, I'm getting tons of shedding every day, but I think it's mainly from the closure. So I got some clip-ins, and then I also got, for my birthday, which is coming up April 26th, I bought some more of like the deep loose curl or something, and you guys, I'll show you guys my initial review on that when I do get it installed closer to my birthday, because like I can't take it back now, I've already bought it. It's really kind of sad, but that's just really all I wanted to do, because I'm taking this hair out, and I've been procrastinating on making this video because like I've been recovering from surgery. I'm applying to, like, I got all this grad school stuff, and like I have not told you guys this yet, and I'm gonna make a video on that at some point in time. But as for now, I thought it was really necessary for me to get this out the way. You guys can see, this is what she looks like. This closure has no name. Her name is Trash. The bundles are to be determined at this point. Like, would I order again this closure? Never in life. Never in life, okay? Would I order the bundles? I would say like the chances of me ordering the bundles again is like 60 to 70%, because like I really like to buy my bundles and my closure together if that's the route I'm going, because I want it to match. But this hair does, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but like this looks like leave out. Like it don't even, what is this? What is this? Why is she stiff like that? Why is she stiff? Yummy? Let me know. Why is she stiff? Like, she doesn't match the hair. And it's really quite frustrating, like, because like I was like, it's loud hair, like I can't just get some old random stuff. So for my birthday hair, I will actually be buying a closure from somewhere else, because like I don't want my hair out, and I'm gonna be getting a smaller one because my head is so tiny, this closure goes from like here, like this is like here, like too much in my head. Like I don't, that's too much work. So yeah, would I advise you to get this hair? Oh, it's really hard. Like I would say the bundles you could get, do not ever think about buying closure or frontal from them. This is just my own experience. I bought this hair with my own money. And this is just the experience that I have had. Like I said, I will insert the pictures here so you can see for yourself what I've had to deal with for these 2 months. Every time I wear my retainer, like my words mess up. Like I'll show you guys like what I have had to go through with this closure. I honestly don't know why I still have it in, but like I really wanted to show you guys like a full in-depth video of like me wearing it for some time, seeing like does it last or does it not last. And like it doesn't last. Like the hair, like even like the hair has really nice luster. This closure is like dry, crunchy, crispy. Like I would have been better off having my leave out, because my hair I love my leave out. Like I can show you guys some old pictures with my leave out. I'll show you that. Like, but this is supposed to be easy. Like get up, go, hair, blend. No. And the color of the closure, I mean, that has nothing to do with whether I dislike it or like it. Because honestly, this was my first closure, and I don't know if I'm supposed to get, what do you call it, dark brown, medium brown, transparent, or like all that stuff. And sis, just don't buy the closures, because you will waste your money. And that's all I have to say. I don't know how their other closures are for like the non-Lao hair. I can only be the judge of the Lao hair closures. But it's trash, like, it's really trash. And yes, it doesn't match anymore at this point, but it's just whatever. Yeah, I'm kind of sad, and I feel like I need to start my own hair company, because I don't like these scammers. Like, it's trash as fuck. Like, people work hard for their money, and I don't care how much money I make, like a lot, little, like none of that shit. Like, I don't want to waste my money ever, okay? And you should not either. And that's all I gotta say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know I did not say that welcome to my channel stuff. My name is It Girl Nay. In case you didn't know, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel right there. Not for real. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will really be trying to make more videos. Like, I'm making a goal of making 1 to 2 videos a week. The process of me editing, I don't know. Like, but making it, I can do that. And I'm gonna try to get this video out like the day after Easter or something. Easter's tomorrow. But yeah, so thanks for watching again, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed and come back for more. Bye.